Well, we have another question here that says question 4. On the right here, question 4. Point 1, we say consider the linear pattern 5, 7, 9. Now, the question says determine T51. So, question 4.1. Oops, 4.1. We're looking for T51. Now, the linear pattern is given by 5, 7, 9, etc. Now, because it is said it is a linear pattern, we understand there is a constant difference, okay, between the terms. So now we can work out the constant difference here. We notice 7 minus 5 is 2, and then 9 minus 7 is 2. So that's T. And the linear pattern itself is given by Tn equal to A plus open bracket n minus 1 times T. Then we can substitute Tn would be equal to A, the first term is 5, open bracket n minus 1 times the constant difference, which is 2. And that makes Tn equal to 5n, excuse me, it's a plus here, 5 plus, there's a plus here, or let me just erase this. We can find Tn by doing this, because the constant difference is just 2. Okay, so we can say 2n, and then we say to ask ourselves 2 plus what's equal to 5. Okay, 2 plus 3 equal 5. So if the first term is 1, for instance, we have 1 there. 2 plus 3 will be 5. If the second term is 2, 2 times 4 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, so on and so forth. Or you can use the formula I wrote in red over here. You substitute the values like Tn will be equal to A, the first term, which is 5, plus open bracket n minus 1 times 2. And this will be 5 plus 2n minus 2. And then that will make Tn equal to 2n. 5 minus 2 is 3, so Tn is just 3. Now T51, therefore, T51 is when we will going to sub in the value of 51 wherever we see n. So I'm going to sub 51 over here, and then this will be 2 times 51 is 101. 102. 102 minus 3 is 99. So T51 equal to 99. Okay. Oh, my apologies. It's plus here. Sorry. So it was plus 3. Plus 3. So 102 plus 3 is 105. Now, the following question is 4.2. Calculate the sum of the first 51 terms. So we're looking for S51. Sn is given by, okay, because we know the first term, which is -5, and then we also know the 51 term is 105, we can just use this formula, n over 2, open brackets A plus L, okay? Okay, this formula is useful when we know the first and the last term. So S51 will be equal to 51 over 2, open bracket, the first term is 5, and the last term is 105. And then 5 plus 105 is 110. 110 divided by 2 is 55. So we have like S51 equal to 51 times 55, okay? And then S51 will be equal to, we can use a calculator for that, 51 times 55, this is equal to 2805. If you're unsure, just sub in everything here in the calculator. You don't get the same answer, because I prefer to simplify my work without instead of me just punching numbers in the calculator. You can check it out here. 51/2, okay, open brackets, 5 plus 105, close brackets, and then when we hit equal, you get the same answer, 28/05. So that means 28/05. That's T51. T51. S51, I mean to say. Now, question 4.3. The question says, write down the expansion of the sum of 2n plus 3n starting from 1 to 5,000. Show only the first 3 terms of the last term of the expansion. Excuse me, the first 3 terms and the last term of the expansion. All right. I would like to move this over here, and then split like that. 4.3. So we have like sum of 2n plus, is that so? Plus or minus 3? Yes, plus 3, 1 to 5,000. Plus 3n starting from 1 to 5,000. And then we only want T1, T2, T3, and T5,000. This is what we need to find. Now, T1, okay, this must be 5 because we did it was first given, and we can check it out. If you take 1, you sub there. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, so this is 5. And then when n is going to be 2, you sub 2 over here. 2 times 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 here. And then when x is 3, you sub 3 over here. 2 times 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. And then when x is 5,000, you sub 5,000 here. And then it's going to be 10,000 plus 3 is 10,003. So it's going to be 10,003. So these are the first 3 and the last term of the series. Okay, and because it is a series, we can just do plus, 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 dot, 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 plus. Okay. So plus here, plus here. Plus, 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 dot, dot. All right. The next question is question 4.4. The question says, hence or otherwise calculate the sum of 2n plus 3, n starting from 1 to 5,000, plus the sum of negative 2n minus 1, n starting from 1 to 4,999. All working details must be shown. All right. Okay. I want to move my board over here. So we have question 4.4. The sum of 2n plus 3, n starting from 1 to 5,000, plus the sum of negative 2n minus 1, n starting from 1 to 4,999. Now, in this situation, as we know the formula, okay, Sn will be equal to n over 2 a plus L, because here the last terms are given of the series. So for this, the first one, S, the sum of 5,000 terms. Will be equal to n, so 5,000 over 2, okay, open brackets. The first term is 5, because when we sub 1 over here, the first term, 1, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 plus 3 is 5, and the last term is 5,000, you sub there, is term number 5,000. We sub 5,000 here plus we get 10,003. So it's going to be plus 10,003 plus over here. Okay, let me do this way. S4999 will be 4999 over 2 open brackets. The first term here is when we sub 1 over here, -2 times 1, -2. -2 minus 1 is -3. So the first term is -3. -3 here. Plus the last term is when we sub 4999 over here. So you get, let's check it out. -2 open brackets. Okay, 4,999, and then minus 1. This makes negative 9,999. Negative. That makes negative 9,999. Okay, and then okay, this sum first equal what? Okay, because I have this in the calculator, let's first do this one. So minus 3 will be that, okay, times now by 4,999 over 2. Okay, this is negative 24. How many nines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so negative 24, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then for the other one, so we have like 5,000. 5,000 over 2. Okay, and then open brackets, and then 5 plus 1, 1, 2, 3, and then 0 there, close brackets, and then hit equal, and that makes 25, 0, 2, and then 4 zeros. So 25, 0, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 25, 0, 2, and then 4 zeros. Yeah. Then, excuse me. Now we're going to add the 2. It means we're going to do the first one, minus 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, equal to 20,001. Okay. So this will be so it's gonna be then therefore the sum, so S5000 plus S4999 will be 20,001. Thank you.